Asuntoskeittiö Jyväskylä.
Yeah, today it's the 10th of August 2021. We have Yliopistonkatu 24 Stokisei here in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi meresta, Finland, and we have an old elevator here that was modernized by Kone with Evergreen. Let's see if this was built. Such a beautiful 1950s style here, or 40s even.
Ah, yeah.
You can see strippers with little boyfriends. But it's glazed inner doors.
Yeah.
Have a gated pattern.
Yeah.
But still beautiful.
Yeah. 1952.
Hi. Built in 1952, turning 70 years old in next year, 2022. Up first. I guess it's tougher than K.
No. Kas motivet tycker jag.
Let's see, modernized in 2002. Rotation will be 20 years old in the next year, 2022, and the serial number is H5043. Yeah, but then we don't have to open the door.
Yeah.
Again, 6 floor, so full ride like this. We'll be inspecting in 2023. There's the old metal plate.
Yeah.
This is still beautiful.
Yeah.
It's still very nice. Of course, this also has to be filmed.
Mm.
And the buttons be evergreen, that's not very common.
Yeah. Tippaakin vain, mutta me eteenpäin sinne.
And the interior is still, well, it's partly original.
Yeah.
Only this ventilation they have changed.
Yeah.
Or yeah, like air ventils or air ventilation.
Oh, yeah.
Holes for them. They changed them in 2002.
Yeah.
Because I've seen very similar ones online. Entrance doors from that time. They look almost identical.
Yeah.
Excuse me. You could also be the door open button here. Doesn't have it. It's just open alarm.
Yeah.
I did the stop test here. I shouldn't have done it, but just to start this full ride from the basement.
Yeah.
To pretend that we were going up first. To the first floor. We're gonna try to get to the other staircase.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can do it through the basement.
Yeah.
If nobody is there. Because we have to go there also.
Yeah.
That's it, then thank you very much for watching.
That's